Well, welcome to today. Today's tutorial is the quartz. The quartz has to be cleaned and getting rid of some of the dirt off of there so that it can be looking all right, so that it can come to you or anybody else halfway clean and it won't hurt nobody, because I get them so that they are non-cuttable, so it won't cut anybody. Hopefully not, but you never know. So you gotta, anytime you take an inventory of the things that you do, this here is the after effect after the work that has been done that you all can do too. There's a lot of things to be done on planet Earth, and there's a lot of minerals on planet Earth you can learn about, and you can sell, and you can make some money at the quartz and get into people's lives that never seen it before, never held it before, never touched it before. And you can make it happen if you want. This is just a little quick tutorial of some of the things that we can get, and then you can always play your instruments. So there's so much to do on planet Earth, and the bells say ring for luck. This says ring for ladies night. Woohoo! And this says ring for a kiss. And we say make sure you take your vitamins and your minerals and get them in order so that you can get out here and share what experience you have in life to reach the individual you have not met yet. There's many stones out here to share with that individual you have not met yet. And so this is just a small taste. And if you count them, that's not that many. So, tel la vie, the tutorial's over, and we'll see you later on a later date. Toodaloo, toodaloo, toot toot.